Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Philips air fryers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Philips 2000 series air fryer with a 4.4 cubic capacity. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, coming in at just $79.99. Despite its price, it packs some impressive features, including rapid air technology, which ensures your food is crispy on the outside and tender inside, with up to 90% less fat. With 13 cooking functions and an intuitive touchscreen, this air fryer is designed for versatility and ease of use. Design-wise, it's compact and lightweight, making it perfect for smaller kitchens or those who want a portable option. The cooking window is a nice touch, allowing you to monitor your food without opening the basket. Performance-wise, it gets the job done efficiently, but has a slightly smaller capacity compared to higher-end models, making it ideal for individuals or small households. The 2000 series is perfect for those who want a healthier way to cook without breaking the bank. However, its lower wattage, 1500 watts, means it may take a bit longer to cook certain meals, and it lacks advanced fat removal technology. Still, for its price, it's an excellent entry-level air fryer. Pros: affordable, compact, 13 cooking functions. Cons: smaller capacity, slower cooking times. Coming in at number 4 is the Philips Air Fryer 2000 series, NA230/00, priced at $99.99. This model offers a slightly larger 6.6 quart capacity and 13-in-1 cooking functions, making it a great step up for families or those who need a bit more versatility. The rapid air technology provides even cooking with minimal oil, and the cooking window allows you to visually monitor your food's progress. It also comes with 9 presets, making it easy to prepare everything from fries to vegetables with just the touch of a button. In terms of design, it's sleek and modern, with a user-friendly touchscreen interface. At just under 14 pounds, it's still relatively lightweight for its size. The non-stick star plate ensures easy cleaning, and all removable parts are dishwasher safe. Performance-wise, it's efficient and delivers consistent results, though it doesn't include fat removal technology found in more premium models. This air fryer is ideal for small to medium-sized families who want a balance between functionality and affordability. While it doesn't have the advanced features of higher-end models, it's hard to beat the value it offers at this price point. Pros: larger capacity, affordable, easy to clean. Cons: no fat removal technology, not as powerful as premium models. At number 3, we have the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL HD 9630/98. While the price for this model is not currently available, its feature set makes it a strong contender in the mid-range category. With a 4-quart capacity and advanced rapid heat technology, this air fryer delivers fast and consistent results. Plus, it includes Philips' unique fat removal technology, which extracts excess fat for healthier meals, a standout feature for health-conscious users. The design is robust and family-friendly, fitting up to 3 pounds of food or even a whole chicken. It's slightly larger and heavier than lower-tier models, but this is justified by its superior performance. Multi-cooking technology allows you to air fry, bake, grill, roast, and even dehydrate, making it a truly versatile kitchen appliance. This model is perfect for families of up to 6 people who want to enjoy healthier meals without sacrificing taste or convenience. Pros: fat removal technology, versatile multi-cooking options. Cons: heavier design, price not listed, could be on the higher end. In the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Philips Air Fryer 3000 series NA330/00, priced at $119.99, This model offers a 6.5 quarts capacity and an impressive 16-in-1 functionality, making it one of the most versatile air fryers on the market. The Rapid Air Plus technology ensures even cooking, and the fat removal feature separates excess oil, delivering healthier meals without compromising flavor. The design is modern, with a clear cooking window for monitoring progress, and the touchscreen interface includes 12 customizable presets. It's also easy to clean, with dishwasher-safe parts and a non-stick basket. At 15.95 pounds, it's a bit heavier, but the added features make it worth the extra weight. This air fryer is ideal for medium to large families or anyone who wants a powerful, feature-rich appliance. Pros: advanced fat removal, large capacity, versatile presets. Cons: slightly heavier, larger footprint for smaller kitchens. Finally, at the top of our list is the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL HD 9650/96. Priced at $234.99, is the ultimate air fryer for those who want the best of the best. With a massive 7-quart capacity, it's perfect for large families or meal preppers. Philips' fat removal technology sets it apart from competitors by extracting excess oil, making your meals healthier without compromising on flavor. The design is sleek and premium, with a digital display and 5 cooking presets for effortless operation. It also includes a keep warm mode, ensuring your food is ready to serve whenever you are. The Home ID app offers hundreds of recipes, making this model a great companion for those looking to expand their culinary repertoire. This air fryer is perfect for anyone who wants top-tier performance and advanced features. While it's the most expensive option on this list, its capacity, durability, and cutting-edge technology make it worth the investment. Pros: large capacity, advanced fat removal technology, premium build quality. Cons: high price tag, larger size may not be suitable for small kitchens. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.